The most successful work sites rely on more than just quality parts and equipment. They're backed by the expertise of reliable, skilled technicians. At Mustang Cat, they know this all too well, with some of the most proficient engine technicians in the business. From preventive maintenance and overhauls to remanufacturing solutions and localized support for the oil and gas industry's highest performing equipment.
Mustang Cat has product support offerings 24/7. So our parts department is available to our customers 24/7, as well as our field service capabilities. So we're really out there in the market. Whatever our customers need, we're available for them.
Mustang Cat offers a wide range of field service options. We've got 30 field techs in our power division. They're taking care of anything the customers have in the field, whether that's planned overhauls in the field that need to stay there, whether that's repairs to keep their machines up and running, warranty repairs. Wherever our customers need us, we go.
As an early adopter of the latest technologies, Mustang Cat takes full advantage of Caterpillar's specialized technical support so they can keep pace with upgrade kits and technology advancements, while consistently investing in next-generation power solutions to help operators maximize uptime for optimized total cost of ownership.
Oil and gas companies turn to Mustang Cat Solutions and Caterpillar in general because we're the leader in the industry. We've got the best products in the field, the best support system in the background, and the best network of technicians and support dealers to keep them running.
We are here to work with our customers, listen to their needs, understand what they want, and come up with a flexible solution for them. Our customer success is our success.
Top-tier support goes hand in hand with top-tier training. That's why Mustang Cat operates a variety of training programs with thousands of online and in-person courses, along with access to learning centers worldwide.
We've got on-staff hands-on trainers here at Mustang that train on all your common product models and common changes. We do the online learning center through Caterpillar to keep up with any kind of new product changes and offerings coming out. We have monthly product health meetings with our team and our Cat reps to make sure we're up to date on the latest changes coming out, as well as sending technicians off to actual hands-on Caterpillar classes offered at Peoria and Miami Lakes.
Their twofold training approach combines local expertise and regional knowledge to give trainees insights on current trends, power solutions, and more. And with the Dealer's Apprentice program, trainees engage in professional development and coaching opportunities that prepare them for real-world repairs in the field. With endless support and expert training, Caterpillar and its dealer network are here to help the oil and gas industry thrive.